fam, welcome back to Everyday Matters with Tari. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. Okay, but can you believe January is gone already? Yes, me too. I cannot believe it's already the 28th day of January 2024, and the year started just like yesterday, but it's today the 28th, and before you know it, it's February, March, April, May. Before you know it, it'll be December. So the question I have for you today is, how far have you gone with your goals? Okay, so I know we set some goals in January, at the beginning of January. Are you still on track with your goals, or have you started to default already? But while we're doing that, while we're talking about our goals, I would like to unbox this electric era with wings. Okay, so it's just something you dry your clothes on. Normal, like where you put your clothes, normal clothes dryer, but this one is electric, so it's got electric which you can use especially during the winter period. Okay, so how far have you gone with your goals? I'm just going to be unboxing this like I said, and I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know what it looks like. Okay, I'm hoping that it's amazing. You know, during the winter when you do your washing, okay, a lot of times it becomes damp. And sometimes when you put your clothes in the house, because you can't put them outside, you put them in the house, and it brings about condensation in the house, and then you have molds on the wall. The smell in the house might not be nice. So this is a really good one for you. Look at that. Okay, so I've just brought it out of the box. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it will be good, like I said, during winter, so you can put your clothes on, and then it dries it with the electricity. Okay, I'm just removing it in the bag. I'm just removing that now. Okay, and here is the, I'm gonna have to break this seal. So this just holds the electric cable, so this will need to be plugged somewhere. Okay, I'll show you once I've plugged it, once I've assembled it, I'll show you as well. So this is the manual that came with it, but it looks pretty straightforward, so I don't think I'm going to be using it. I'll try and give it a go first. If I'm able to do it, fair enough. If I'm not able to do it, you know, I'll always come back to the manual. Okay, but I'm going to have a go at installing it first, and then I will show you what it actually looks like. Like I was saying before, how far have you gone with your goals? Okay, so are you on track, or have you defaulted already? Okay, and what I want us to do as well is think about our goals for last year. Why were you not able to achieve your goals? Okay, and in my previous video we also talked about the fact that I had one goal for last year, and I focused on that one goal. I had other things that I achieved as well, but really I focused on that one goal, and because I was focused on it, I put things in place to help me achieve that goal. So if you think about your goals for last year, why did you not achieve those goals? Is it because they were not SMART goals? And you remember we talked about SMART goals. I've talked about SMART goals in my previous videos. So your goals need to be specific, measurable. Okay, they need to be achievable goals, not goals that are so big that you know you won't be able to achieve them. They need to be specific. So yes, I want to lose 10 pounds, I want to lose 5 pounds or one pound in the next year, or I want to earn a certain amount of money, maybe 10,000 pounds or 1,000 pounds. Whatever your goal is, it needs to be specific, it needs to be measurable, it needs to be achievable, it needs to be realistic. Okay, so let's not set goals that are unrealistic goals. So it needs to be realistic. Okay, and you need to also set a time for it. It needs to be time bound. Okay, so we talked about that. So why were you not able to achieve your goals last year? Is it that they were not SMART goals? Okay, so if you know the reason why, then you can think about how you're going to make sure that your goals for this year are achieved. Okay, so we want to make sure they are achieved. Therefore, we want to set goals again that are SMART. Okay, and also make sure we're able to review our goals from time to time. So where are you with your goals? Okay, so it's the end of January. Where are you with your goals? Remember, we said we'll review our goals every now and again. You can review your goals every month. You can decide to review your goals every quarter, i.e. every 3 months, or every 6 months, or you can review your goals at the end of a year. Okay, so we're reviewing our goals at the end of this month. Okay, so where are you with your goals? Okay, put your comments down in the comments below so we can know what you're doing and how far you're going with your goals. So this is the electric era. Okay, so I've just put a few things there just to show you what it's like and how you can use it. And just to give my honest review about this product, so I really like it because it's electric and you can use it when it's winter time. However, it's not really big enough. Okay, so I expected it to be bigger, but it's not. It can only contain so much clothes depending on how many clothes you're washing per time. It can only contain so much. Also, it takes a while for the clothes to dry, so I've used it a few times. It takes a while, a good few hours, actually a lot of hours for the clothes to actually dry. I had to remove some of them and put it on my radiator to dry off. Okay, so it takes a while. It will take a while to actually dry your clothes properly. Okay, so that's it. But apart from that, it's good. It's going to be useful in winter. So instead of just putting my things on my door or whatever, I can put them on here just to get them to dry. Okay, so that's my honest review about the product. So it's up to you if you want to get it, if you want to buy it, if you think it'd be useful for you as well, then by all means go ahead and order yours. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, show it to your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Remember, we need to review our goals from time to time, monthly, weekly, quarterly, 6 monthly, annually, whatever your preference is, just to make sure we don't lose track of our goals. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.